if you have to hold your boot or trunk open to keep it from falling down on you, it might be time for new struts. So you want to make sure you get the right struts for your vehicle, and then we'll go ahead and show you how to change it out. So here's our new strut. This is the bottom end, so this already has the ball clip on it, so we're going to need to remove that. And then up at the top, you just slide that on and it has a circlip. So to remove the old one, we're just going to need to remove the circlip from there and the ball clip from down there. For this job, you're probably going to want some circlip pliers and a little flathead. If they've been on for a little while, you might want to go ahead and add some CRC or PB blaster. So there's your circlip. You can take it off. As you can see, that's what the bottom looked like. And the top was getting a little bit grimy. Just give it a wipe. So to install the new one, you just hook this up at the top. You're going to put your circlip on that and snap in the bottom. Right, and up here, you do want to make sure it's oriented the right way. So if it's like this, it's not going to close all the way. So you want it tucked down like this. So you can rotate it around until it's the right orientation. Get that there. And then just reinstall your circlip. And pop in bottom. And there you go. And now, see, our boot can be firmly held in place. It wants to go up. And once you've installed that, you can see it goes up on its own, doesn't fall down on you, and you actually have to push it down to get it to shut.